As Singapore manufacturers are getting a boost in adopting emerging technologies and improving production processes. A research agency A-Star and local software company Arcstone are opening a new $18 million laboratory to give firms the support that they need. Arcstone expects the lab to hire about 30 engineers over the next 3 years. Our projects include using artificial intelligence to improve production schedules and creating platforms that help manufacturers manage energy use. At the lab's opening, Trade and Industry Minister Gan Kim Yong says Singapore must have a strong base of local manufacturing firms with expertise. It cannot rely solely on foreign enterprises to set up base here.
The ambition is for Singapore to move towards high-value manufacturing, where competition is not based on cost, but based on intellectual property, know-how, and skills. This way, we can stay ahead of global competition and entrench ourselves in global value chains.